Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix you don't have access error in EA Desktop app. In order to fix this issue, you first have to launch your EA Desktop application, and once you are on the home page, you need to hover over to this search bar in the top, and in this search bar you simply need to type any of the games that you want to play over here. After that, you need to tap on the banner of that game, and here you will be able to see the option of download. So over here you need to press the download button. Once the download is started, you are going to see this cross button. So you need to click on cross in order to cancel your download. Then it will show you this pop-up of confirmation, which will ask you, are you sure that you want to cancel the download? So you will have to press yes, and once you have successfully cancelled your download, you will be able to easily access any of the games on EA Desktop app without any error. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.